Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students. Start. The three seats of Darjeeling, Kalimpong and Kurseong in the Darjeeling Hills of West Bengal may count for little numerically in the State Assembly of 294 members, but their political significance is a different story. Stop. The demand for a separate Gurkhaland state in the hills has singularly driven politics among the Gurkha population for more than 3 decades now. Stop. The agitation has been often violent. Stop. In 2017, during the last eruption of violence, the hills were in blockade for 104 days and several people were killed. Stop. The BJP's close involvement with Gorkha politics suggests that it has certain plans for the region, which could have ripples in other parts of the country where demands for autonomy or separate states exist. Stop. It was in Darjeeling that the BJP got its foothold into West Bengal. Stop. From 2009 to 2019, the region sent a BJP member to the Lok Sabha. Stop. The BJP's traditional position in favor of smaller states created an affinity for it, but more importantly, the fact that it had little stake in West Bengal politics in general allowed it to be experimental here. Stop. Though it never declared in clear terms its support for a separate state, by maintaining an ambiguous stance, it became acceptable to an expanding segment of the hill population. Stop. In 2014, then BJP Prime Ministerial nominee Narendra Modi said he shared the dreams of the Gorkhas, and the BJP later on shifted to a promise of permanent political solution. Stop. Home Minister Amit Shah campaigned in the hills and reiterated the promise. Stop. Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee stayed away from campaigning, avoiding the contentious question. Stop. Para. The politics in the hills is framed in antagonistic terms with the Bengali population in the plains. Stop. Any concession to the Gurkhas, let alone a separate state, can be viewed unsympathetically by the rest of the population. Stop. The two experiments in the past of allowing autonomy to the region under the Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council from 1988 2012, and the Gorkhaland Territorial Administration established in 2012, more than mitigating the grievance of the Gorkhas, splintered their politics. Stop. The Gorkha Janmukti Morcha, which dominated politics in the region, is divided into two factions. one led by its founder Bimal Gurung and other by Binay Tamang and Anit Thapa. Stop. Miss Banerjee's TMC is said to be in alliance with both factions, comma, which means little more than creating confusion. Stop. The Gorkha National Liberation Front within bracket GNLF bracket close, comma, the party set up by Subhash Ghising, who started the agitation, comma, is an ally of the BJP. Stop. The experiments of alliances and self governance led to an erosion of trust in local leaders. Stop. While Gorkha politics view Bengali leaders of all parties with suspicion, comma, they have bought into the nationalist politics of the BJP to some extent. Stop. The BJP has emerged as a serious player in West Bengal and will remain so in the near future. Stop. Darjeeling will test its agility and vision, comma, certainly for the state, comma, but probably beyond its borders too. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।